Apps Manager is a versatile Android application designed to help users effectively manage their installed apps. This app is particularly useful for individuals who want to optimize their device's performance, free up storage space, or maintain organization among various applications. Typically, Apps Manager provides users with features that allow them to view detailed information about installed apps, including storage usage, permissions, and update status. Users can easily uninstall unwanted apps, move apps to external storage, or clear cache and data to enhance performance. The application often includes tools for batch management, enabling users to handle multiple apps simultaneously, which can save time and streamline processes. Additionally, Apps Manager may offer insights into system apps, allowing users to disable or manage these applications to improve device efficiency. By providing comprehensive app management tools, Apps Manager serves as an essential resource for Android users looking to optimize their device experience, ensuring a smoother and more organized mobile environment.